Criteria for Congruence of Triangles Part 2. Conditions which prove that two triangles are congruent. SAS Congruency Rule. In a triangle, if two sides and their included angle are equal to two sides and the included angle of another triangle, then both the triangles are congruent. Consider two triangles, triangle ABC and triangle PQR. AB is equal to PQ, BC is equal to QR, and angle ABC is equal to angle PQR. Then, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR by SAS Congruency Rule. ASA Congruency Rule. If two angles and the included side of a triangle are equal to two angles and the included side of another triangle, then both the triangles are congruent. For example, AB is a line segment and P is its midpoint. Points D and E on one side of AB are situated such that angle BAD is equal to angle ABE. Angle EPA is equal to angle DPB. In triangle DAP and triangle EBP, angle BAD is equal to angle ABE are given. AP is equal to PB because P is the middle point of AB. This concludes that given angle EPA plus X is equal to angle DPB plus X. It proves that angle APD is equal to angle BPE. So, triangle DAP is congruent to triangle EBP by ASA Congruency Rule. AAS Congruency Rule. If two angles and one side of a triangle are equal to two angles and the corresponding side of another triangle, then both the triangles are congruent. For example, AD and BC are perpendicular to line segment AB. Show that CD cuts AB into two equal parts. Given AD is equal to BC, AD is perpendicular to AB, BC is perpendicular to AB. Prove that CD cuts AB into two equal parts. Proof. In triangle ADO and triangle BCO, angle OAD is equal to angle OBC. Both are 90 degrees. Angle DOA is equal to angle BOC. Both are vertically opposite angles. AD is equal to BC is given. Triangle ADO is congruent to triangle BCO by angle side congruency rule. This means that BO is equal to AO by CPCT. Thus, CD cuts AB into two equal parts by CPCT.